My concern here is that I'm looking for a file that goes in my canals and is upright.
You're okay. You're about the uprighting part.
And you know, I'm leaned in, which I don't know if the shape of my roots I'm never gonna get to be like this. There's my mesial-buccal, distal-buccal. See how it's not uprighted. And I was wondering if you could take a look at. This is after I've expanded the
Look at our
orifices.
radicular access.
Yep.
Okay.
I've done SX and X gates, both experimented with them both. And I'm curious what your thoughts are.
Okay. Can I change your access?
You can.
Now.